In the last two videos, we learned about parallel routes. Let us show many pages at the same time in the same layout without changing the web address. Before we talk about something else, let's quickly discuss conditional routes. Conditional routes help us decide which page to show based on something, like if a user is logged in or not. For example, we can show a dashboard to login users or a login page to those we are not logging. This is useful because it keeps our code organized even though it's on the same web address. Let's go back to VS Code and set up an example. First, we'll create a login part in our dashboard. First, we'll create a login slot in our admin dashboard. Inside the admin dashboard folder, make a new slot called @login. In this folder, make a new file named page.tsx. In this file, make a simple component for React. Here, can use card component and write please login to continue. Usually there would be a login form here, but for now this text is enough. Back in the dashboard layout file, let's add the new login part through props. Also add a type in the code. Create a new constant called is login and set it to true. In the return part, we'll decide which parts to show based on the is login value. If the user logged in, show the current parts. Otherwise, show the login parts. If we go back the browser, we'll see the dashboard because we set is login to true. If we change the value to false and go back to the browser, we'll see the login parts. As you can see, conditional routes help us show different pages based on the certain things, like if a user is logged in. This keeps our code organized even though it's on the same web address. This login part also has its own error and loading messages, as well as navigation to other page like signing up or resetting a password. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and I will see you in the next video.